I had never thought my brother would stoop so low. Roop, you are supporting the one who always considered me her enemy.
Sometime back he said today was his first day at work. And now he's saying he has been working for years. Something is not right.
How is that possible? Radha performed the turmeric ceremony, so how could she be the bride? I will tell you.
I will have to execute this plan anyhow. I will leave as soon as I install the bomb. Then neither Gungun will survive nor Ketki, and even Radha will not survive.
If Mohan gets to Gungun, then he will save him somehow. I will have to do something.
I don't know, Radha. I didn't see it carefully, but I think he has a dangerous weapon. He has hidden it in the bag.
Hello, madam.
Tell me what's the update.
You were right, madam. Radha is a very clever girl. Earlier, I just had a doubt. I thought she had found out about me. But now, from her behavior, I'm convinced that she has recognized me.
Idiot. Did you call me up to tell me this? Of course she has found out. That is why she was trying to message Mohan. Do what you want, but just remember this. If by any chance my plan flops, then I will hire someone to carry out a bomb attack on you for sure.
Okay, madam.
After today, all my worries will come to an end. Radha and Gungun will meet their end on that bus.
You have surely done something. Tell me, what have you done? See, my dear, out of restlessness, I'm not at peace and I'm constantly in stress and anxiousness.
I will tell you about it later. Let's go inside. Otherwise, everyone will get suspicious.
What do
Come
you
on,
say?
Mom. Come. We will have to do something, Ketki. We can't sit on our hands.
But what do we do, Radha? We don't even have our phones, and there is no other way to inform Mohan or anybody else. Nobody can help us out.
Ketki, in the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna has said, even Lord Krishna doesn't help those who cannot help themselves. Let's try to get out of this situation. Lord Krishna will surely guide us. Firstly, we will have to find a way to stop the bus.
What a plan, Radha.
Yes?
If it was so easy to get them stop the bus, I would have done it earlier for my phone. But this man is not letting the driver stop the bus.
We'll have to do something.
Think of something.
Lord Krishna.
Radha,
Huh?
I want to pee. Listen,
Ketki. I have an idea.
what?
I'll get them to stop the bus. You take that bag away from that man.
Okay.
I'm going. Be careful. Come, dear. I'll take you to pee. Brother, please stop the bus. This child wants to pee.
What can I do?
What do you mean? He wants to pee. So we have to go. Get him to stop the bus.
I want to pee.
Look, he can't control himself. Get him to stop the bus.
If I stop the bus here, this woman will shout for help. No, the bus won't stop here.
What do you mean? The child has a strong urge to pee. You'll have to stop the bus. Stop the bus.
The child wants to pee. Let me stop the bus. What's the problem?
How can we stop the bus in a secluded place like this, huh? If something goes wrong, who will take responsibility, will you? We will stop the bus at the right place,
But
okay?
sir, it's not secluded. There are so many vehicles. What's the problem? Let me stop the bus.
So many cars are passing on road. If someone from one of these vehicles kidnaps a child, will you pay the ransom for them? Listen carefully. I'll tell you where and when the bus will stop. Understood? Got it? Don't run your mouth.
Why are you doing this? Please, please stop the bus for some time. The child wants to pee.
Quiet! Go and take your seat now. Go! Go! Excuse me, madam. What are you looking for, huh?
Why did you open the door?
So tell me, madam, what are you looking for?
Radha! Lord Krishna! Somebody save Radha!
Kadambari Devi! What is going on here?
What happened?
Do you invite us every time to humiliate us? Even the last time, your son had humiliated us. And he is doing the same even now.
That's not the case. We all respect you. Please be seated. The feast will begin right away.
I think you and your son are not on the same page this time. A Brahmin values honor and respect, not feasts and donations, madam.
Please forgive me, head priest. I or my son or any of my family member will never disrespect you.
Then you will have to prove it. Now all the priests will eat the food at this place only if your son himself comes and serves us the food.
How will you survive now, Radha?
Lord Krishna, I hope I don't collide with those buses.
Mohan, why misbehave with them, son? I especially invited the head priest here today. I won't tolerate it if you insult our traditions.
Mom, no tradition is more important than our family, right? Mom, my heart tells me that Gungun, Radha and Ketki are not okay. Nothing is more important than my presence there, Mom.
Mohan, please. They are going to be fine. Don't worry about them. Mohan, get rid of your misconception. A misconception does nothing good to anybody but causes harm to everyone.
No, Mom. Mohan doesn't get worried unnecessarily. Mohan does what he does after due consideration. If he's worried about Gungun, Radha and Ketki, there must be a reason behind that for sure. Mohan, whether others understand you or not, but I understand you. Tell me, did something happen? Didn't you speak to Radha? Did she say anything to you?
Yes.
Did she say that she was in some kind of danger? All of us should go then, Mother. Let's call the police.
She didn't say like that.
Mohan, tell us, what did she say?
That she was okay.
What? Mohan, if she said she was okay, then she must be okay. And besides, Radha never lies. Listen, my dear, you shouldn't worry so much. You see, at times, we elders do so many bad things because of over-worrying, and then children have to suffer the results because of all that. And now you see, because of your concern, you have disrespected the head priest. And what if, because of this misbehavior, if he gets angry on you? And what if he curses you? Then poor Gungun will have to suffer for that.
Aunt!
Sister, at least assess the situation before speaking.
She utters rubbish whenever she speaks.
I am only talking about Gungun's well-being. And now if you see, the priest gets angry and curses our Gungun, then...
Enough, Aunt. If anything happens to my Gungun, I will put a curse on the world. What's the issue? The issue is about serving food, right? Fine, I will serve the food.
Mohan, don't listen to them. I'm sure that it is Aunt Kaveri and Damini's plan to keep you occupied. Please go and check on Gungun.
Did you see? Did you see how I saved your life like a hero in the movie? That's why I told you not to meddle in everything. Understood? You could endanger your life. Yes, yes. Come on, sit down. Do you still want to take a leak? Tell me.
No.
I forgot my holy Ramayana at home. I thought I'd tell Gungun the story of Sita's abduction on the way. Radha and Mohan are together and they are hit.
That's it, lad. Will you serve the entire quota of a year at once to me?
Mohan? What happened, son? What?
I don't know, Mom, why I feel restless. It seems like something is wrong, Mom.
Mohan, I must say you are worrying for no reason right now. You know, you are just troubled by what happened to Gungun yesterday. And there is only one way to address that issue right now. Let's conclude this puja. If the priests are pleased, we will all get their blessings. You, Gungun, Radha, and even me.
Calm down, son. Calm down.
Hey, mister, why are you frightening them?
Sir, I am not frightening them. I am fulfilling my responsibility. There are many children and also there are beautiful women here. We can't pull over at an unknown place, right? You just keep driving. Understood? Don't overthink it.
Who is he? He's so rude. I don't like him.
Yes? He must be worried about something, right? Mohan, where are you? We need you, Mohan.
How to inform the family? Nobody knows that we are stuck here in the bus.
Who does she think she is? Ketki has crossed all limits. I've been calling her since this morning, but she isn't answering my calls.
Please calm down, Rahul. She might not have checked her phone.
Ajit, you know Ketki well. Except for using her phone, she does nothing. She clicks photos and checks the number of likes. She's purposely ignoring me. She's being egoistic.
What? You?
I had a fight with her in the morning, therefore she's not returning my calls.
No, she wouldn't do that because of a fight. The whole family knows that Ketki will never ignore your calls, Rahul. Mom, something is not right. My phone.
What happened, Mohan?
I missed Ketki's call. I'm calling her right away.
What happened? Is it ringing?
No, Mom, she's not answering the call. I will try to call Radha.
Is it ringing?
Radha isn't answering the call either. I will try calling Gungun. Gungun can
How
tell us.
can Gungun take her phone to school, Mohan?
Gungun doesn't have a phone, so why aren't they answering my calls? You know, when I called her, Radha wasn't speaking properly to me. She was speaking in a strange manner.
What do you mean?
Mohan, there is nothing strange. Everything is fine.
Damini, will you let me think, please?
I forgot my holy Ramayana at home.
You know, when I spoke to Radha, she said she had forgotten her holy Ramayana at home.
Holy Ramayana?
Exactly. She doesn't read the holy Ramayana, but she reads the Bhagavad Gita.
I thought I'd tell Gungun the story of Sita's abduction on the way.
She said she wanted to tell Gungun the story of Sita's abduction. When I asked whether everything was well, she replied that everything was fine as it was last night. What was fine last night? Both of them had got trapped in the fire last night.
That's right.
I don't understand what she said. My head...
Radha and Mohan are together and they are hit. If we attend Gungun's singing competition together, it will be great. It will be fun.
Mom, Gungun, Radha, Ketki and all the children are in danger.
Mohan, what are you saying?
They are in danger, just like Gungun and Radha were in danger because of the fire last night. They have been kidnapped, Mom.
Mohan, what? Kidnapped?
The same way like Ravana abducted goddess Sita. And Radha told me that Radha and Mohan are together, they rock together. In the other words, she wanted me to get to them. Means she has given me a clue. That was a clue. Just like she gave me a clue when Hriday had kidnapped her. Mom, they are in danger, Mom. Mom, do you have the bus driver's number? Let's call the bus driver, Mom.
No, son. Only Radha has all the information and contact numbers related to Gungun and her school.
Does anyone have any information?
Mohan, please go. Make sure that Gungun and everyone is safe. Please go quickly.
Ajit, let's go. Come with me, Ajit.
Yes.
Mohan, be careful.
Yes, madam.
Mohan has left, so your time starts now. Quickly activate the bomb and just finish everyone along with Radha and Gungun.
Yes, ma'am.
Go on, Mohan. When you get there, you will find Radha and Gungun's remains.
Hey, mister. Pull over the bus. Hey, madam. Take the boy out for a leak. Come back soon, okay?
Listen, this place looks deserted.
Hey, did anyone ask for your opinion?
No, sir. He is right. I'll take him to relieve himself. Come on, dear. Let's go.
Radha won't go alone. go with her.
You won't go anywhere. Go back to your seat.
I won't go to my seat. I will go with Radha.
No!
Don't you dare touch Gungun. I'll go alone with him. Gungun, there's no one outside. I'll have to take care of you as well if you come with me. So you wait here. I'll be back soon, okay? Ketki.
I also care about you, Radha. Don't worry. I'm watching you. Don't be scared.
Where is the ticking sound coming from?
Leave this. What were you doing? Go back to your seat.
I have to find help. My child, you go behind that tree and relieve yourself. I need to inform Mohan, but how to inform him? I don't have a phone. How should I contact him? Oh Lord Krishna, you please guide me.
The bomb has got activated. What did this crazy girl do? You foolish girl! What have you done? Did you get scared? I also got scared. I thought the bomb had gone off.
Bomb?
Oh, madam, I mean, when a bomb goes off, it makes such a sound. Haven't you watched movies?
What was that sound?
It was the bus stepney, extra tire. The stepney blew up.
Gungun? Gungun? Gungun, are you alright?
I'm fine, but come soon. We are running late.
Okay, I'm coming.
What is in his bag?
Did the boy relieve himself?
He hasn't returned yet.
Go and bring him.
Why did this man come here? What does he want to do? I cannot understand.
The bomb has started ticking. I have to place it under the bus anyhow.
Lord, give me a sign so that. This is the right time. I have to do something before that man returns.
I'm done, Radha.
You are done? You come here. Come here, don't make a sound, okay? Not a word. I'll be right back.
What's taking them so long? I don't know what this man is doing.
Ma'am. It's an urgent. Aunt, I want to make an urgent phone call. Give me your phone.
Why should I? I don't even know you. I have made a recharge of 10 rupees today itself. My recharge will get over.
I'll only make one phone call, Aunt. It's important, please.
Absolutely not.
Ma'am, you can keep this. Here, keep this. Let me make a phone call, Aunt.
Oh, wow. This looks brand new. It will look very nice on my hands.
Ma'am, please give me the phone.
Take, but only one call, okay?
I'll make only one call. Thank you.
My work is done. I don't know. You are getting a call from an unknown number, Mohan.
What? Don't disconnect the call.
Sorry, I disconnected the call.
Why did Mohan disconnect the call?
Please dial that number again.
Oh, okay.
What should I do now?
Where did that girl go?
I'll try calling him again.
Hey, enough. I told you only one call.
Let me make another call,
No,
please.
we had agreed only on one call, right?
Hey, kid. That girl was with you. Where is she?
My recharge will get over. No. Now who is calling?
It's for me. It's Mohan's call. Give me before it gets
No.
disconnected. The call finally went through, Aunt. Please give it to me, Aunt.
Okay. I will give the phone.
Give me the phone.
But I liked your earrings very much.
Why isn't Radha answering the call? What if it wasn't Radha but someone else would have called?
Okay. Take them. Here. Take them. Give me the phone now.
Take. Make your call.
Hello, Mohan.
Hello, Radha, where are you? And just tell me whose phone is this?
Mohan, I stepped out of the bus. I borrowed this phone from someone and I'm using it to call you. We are in trouble.
What happened?
Mohan, do you remember the peon who got on the bus with us? He is the same man who kidnapped me. Yes, Mohan, and he is wearing a fake beard and turban. Mohan, I think his intentions aren't pure. He's surely up to something, Mohan. And You know, Mohan, he snatched my phone. He has my phone. And he got Ketki's phone thrown out of the bus too. Mohan, I'm scared. I feel we are going to land in grave trouble. Do something.
Radha, don't get afraid, Radha. I'm on the way there. You just give me your exact location.
Mohan, I'm on the old temple road. The one that goes through the forest. I'm there.
I'm almost there, Radha. And don't say or do anything. If he suspects you, everyone's lives will be in danger.
Okay, Mohan. I won't say anything, but please come soon. Please.
Hello? Hello? Radha? Radha, can you hear me? Why aren't you saying anything, Radha? Say something! Radha! Radha!
Damn it.
Oh Lord Krishna, you have to anyhow help me today. Our Radha's life is in danger. Don't let anything happen to her. Radha, Gungun, Ketki and the children, please don't let anything happen to them.
What are you doing? Let her go.
I thought she stole your jewelry.
No, it's not like that. I gave my jewelry myself. Please let her go. Let her go.
As it is the place where you are going, you won't need jewelry there. You have to leave everything behind. Hey, lost. Take it. What were you saying, madam? Who were you talking to?
Actually, my phone ran out of battery. I used her phone to inform my family that we were fine here.
Okay. Did you speak to them?
No, the call didn't get connected.
Fine. Get on the bus. Let's go.
Mister, please get in. We are running late for the children's competition.
You should go ahead. I will stay here. I have some work to do. I wish you a very pleasant journey. Goodbye.
He's getting off? Why? What happened all of a sudden?
Okay, fine. You may go. Finish your important work. Goodbye.
Radha, we are safe. I don't know what would have happened to us today.
But Ketki, don't you feel it's weird that he got off the bus midway?
The bomb will go off in a while. And there will be fireworks. I should give the good news to Damini.
I don't know whether he managed to fix the bomb or not. Hello?
Yes, madam. Your work is done. Your enemy will be out of your way in no time. I got off the bus too.
Very good. You didn't make any mistake?
There's no chance at all, madam. Your enemy Radha will soon meet her maker. Even the Lord himself comes, he can't save her now. Please don't worry, Mohan. They took the same road. We will soon find them and reach them. There is something I don't understand. What enmity does that man have with Radha?
I don't know that. All I know is that from now onwards, he won't harass Radha again. Because I won't spare his life today.
Mother is calling me. Yes, mother.
Ajit, what happened? Did you and Mohan find the bus? Radha, Gungun, Ketki, are everyone fine?
No, mother. There is a very big problem here.
Mohan, do you remember the peon who got on the bus with us? He is the same man who kidnapped me. Mohan, I think his intentions aren't pure. He's surely up to something, Mohan.
Mom, what's the matter? Say something, Mom. What's the matter?
Gungun, Radha, Ketki, everyone is on the bus with the kidnapper. And along with them, the lives of the other children are in danger.
Oh no. Ketki, Gungun.
Oh Lord! What are you doing, Lord? Something or the other is going wrong with this poor widow. Why are you making my family suffer like this? It would be better that you take my life away, Lord. And please spare my family, Lord. Oh, please spare
Enough.
my family.
Enough.
Get hold of yourself, Kadambari. Mohan went in search of them. He won't let anything happen to them.
So this was your plan?
Radha, you manage to escape every now and then. But this time, no one will be able to save you. Neither Mohan nor your Lord Krishna.
Oh Lord Krishna, please show me the way. You always help Radha, but today you have to help me. You have to show me the way. Lord.
I am the same person who had buried you alive. Yet you managed to escape. This time I want to see how you managed to escape this difficult situation that I have created.
Listen, my dear. The bigger game you want to play, the bigger risk you also have to.
We found out from the school administration that the CCTV camera in the bus is not working. Even the driver's phone is not reachable. What if the bus met with an accident?
Police?